natural remedies for indigestion and bloating. Indigestion and bloating, whether it's from eating too much, feeling stressed, or having foods that just don't sit well, digestive discomfort can really impact how we feel. Luckily, there are some simple natural remedies that can help ease these symptoms. I'll introduce you to a few of the best herbs, teas, and essential oils for supporting digestion and relieving bloating. To begin, let's briefly touch on some common causes of indigestion. Overeating is one of the most obvious triggers. Eating large meals or eating too quickly can put a strain on our digestive system. Stress is another major factor, as it can disrupt the natural rhythm of digestion. And of course, certain foods are more likely to cause bloating and discomfort. Foods high in fat, spicy foods, and carbonated drinks can all lead to indigestion. Let's start with some herbs that are known to soothe digestion. One of the best herbs for digestion is peppermint. Peppermint has natural properties that help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, making it an excellent choice for reducing bloating and gas. A cup of peppermint tea after a meal can work wonders for settling your stomach and easing discomfort. If you don't have the tea, simply inhaling the refreshing scent of peppermint oil can also be quite calming for the digestive system. Next up is fennel. Fennel is particularly effective for reducing bloating and gas. Chewing on fennel seeds after a meal is a traditional remedy in many cultures, and for good reason. It helps to prevent gas buildup and supports digestion. If chewing fennel seeds isn't for you, you can also make a simple fennel tea by steeping the seeds in hot water. And of course, there's ginger, a well-loved remedy for many digestive issues. Ginger is known for its ability to ease nausea and relieve digestive discomfort. A cup of ginger tea, or even a piece of candied ginger, can be a quick solution when you're feeling queasy or bloated. The warmth of ginger tea also helps to stimulate digestion, making it especially helpful after a large meal. Teas are another great option for supporting digestion, and there are a couple in particular that work well for soothing the stomach. Chamomile tea is a gentle, calming tea that has been used for centuries to relieve gas and bloating. It helps relax the digestive muscles, allowing trapped gas to pass more easily. Chamomile is especially nice in the evening if you want a calming remedy before bed. Licorice root tea is another option for digestive relief. Licorice root has properties that can soothe the stomach lining, making it helpful for anyone with acid reflux or an upset stomach. However, it's important to drink licorice tea in moderation, as it can raise blood pressure if consumed in large amounts. So a cup here and there is fine, but avoid making it a daily habit if you have blood pressure concerns. Lastly, let's talk about essential oils, which can be a great addition to your natural remedy toolkit. Peppermint oil is wonderful for fast relief from bloating and indigestion. To use it safely, dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and gently massage it onto your abdomen. This can help to relax the digestive muscles and relieve bloating. You'll often feel a cooling sensation, which can be very soothing. Ginger oil is also effective for digestive relief, particularly for nausea. Similar to peppermint, you can dilute ginger oil and rub it on your stomach. This can be a comforting and gentle way to calm your digestive system, especially if you've been experiencing nausea or discomfort. Just make sure to avoid applying the oils directly to your skin without dilution, as they can be too strong on their own. With these simple natural remedies, whether it's a cup of peppermint tea, a handful of fennel seeds, or a soothing massage with essential oils, you have several options to ease indigestion and bloating naturally. These remedies are gentle, effective, and easily accessible, making them wonderful tools for anyone who wants to support their digestive health. So next time you feel the discomfort of indigestion, try reaching for one of these natural options. They offer a holistic way to support your body and keep your digestive system feeling its best. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. Next, let's explore some natural remedies for muscle soreness, something we've all experienced at one time or another. Whether it's from physical exertion, poor posture, or an injury, muscle soreness can slow us down and make even simple movements uncomfortable. Fortunately, nature provides us with some wonderful tools to relieve muscle pain and support recovery. Let's take a look at a few herbs, teas, and essential oils that can help ease muscle soreness naturally. First, let's quickly talk about some of the common causes of muscle soreness. Physical exertion is one of the biggest causes, especially if we push ourselves too hard during exercise or try something new. Poor posture is another common culprit, as it puts strain on certain muscles over time. And of course, injuries can lead to soreness as our muscles work to repair themselves. When it comes to herbs, turmeric is a fantastic choice for managing muscle pain. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the body. You can take it as a supplement, but it's also easy to add to your diet in tea form. A warm cup of turmeric tea can be soothing and offers your body the anti-inflammatory benefits it needs to recover more quickly. Mixing turmeric with a bit of black pepper helps the body absorb its active compound, curcumin, more effectively. Another herbal remedy for muscle soreness is arnica. Arnica is commonly used topically and is available in creams or gels that can be applied directly to sore muscles. Arnica has been shown to reduce pain and swelling, making it a great option if you've had a particularly tough workout or if you're dealing with a minor muscle injury. Just remember to use it externally, as arnica is not meant for internal use. Drinking the right teas can also support muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Green tea is a great option because it's packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. A daily cup of green tea can be a gentle way to keep inflammation down and support your overall health. It's especially beneficial after exercise, as the antioxidants help to neutralize the free radicals that can build up after intense physical activity. Another effective option is a combination of ginger and turmeric tea. Both ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that work well together to ease soreness. This tea is a comforting and flavorful way to support your muscles and promote faster recovery. Simply add fresh ginger and a dash of turmeric powder or a turmeric slice to hot water and let it steep. A little honey can make it even more enjoyable. Finally, let's talk about essential oils, which can be incredibly helpful for relieving muscle pain when used properly. Eucalyptus oil and lavender oil are both effective for reducing muscle tension and pain. One way to use them is by adding a few drops of each to a warm bath. The soothing aroma helps you relax, while the oils work on the muscles to reduce soreness. Alternatively, you can dilute these oils in a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and gently massage them into the sore areas. Peppermint oil is another fantastic option for muscle pain relief. It provides a cooling sensation that can numb sore areas and reduce discomfort. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with a carrier oil and massage it onto the sore muscles for a refreshing, cooling effect. This can be particularly helpful after a workout or at the end of a long day. With these natural remedies, whether it's a turmeric supplement, a cup of ginger tea, or a peppermint oil massage, you can give your muscles the support they need to recover more quickly and with less pain. These options not only ease soreness, but also promote overall wellness by reducing inflammation and helping the body's natural healing processes. So next time you feel muscle soreness, try one of these gentle, natural remedies to get back to feeling your best. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. As we wrap up, let's go over a few important tips for using natural remedies safely. While herbs, teas, and essential oils are powerful tools for wellness, it's essential to use them mindfully. First, safety is key, especially with essential oils. Always remember to dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. This helps prevent irritation and ensures the oils are used safely. And unless you're working with a healthcare professional, it's best to avoid ingesting essential oils altogether. They're highly concentrated and can cause adverse reactions if taken internally without proper guidance. For those of you trying a new remedy, be mindful of any potential allergies or sensitivities. A good practice is to do a quick patch test with essential oils by applying a small amount of diluted oil on your inner arm to check for any reaction. If you have concerns about certain herbs, especially if you're already taking medications, a quick consultation with a healthcare provider can help ensure everything works well together. It's also helpful to remember that natural remedies often require consistency and patience. Unlike some medications that work immediately, herbs and teas may take a little time to show effects. Regular use in safe amounts can make a big difference, but moderation is important to avoid overuse. Finally, embracing natural remedies can be a wonderful way to support your health. By adding these simple, natural options to your daily routine, you're enhancing your wellness, living a balanced lifestyle, and keeping minor ailments at bay. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your journey with natural remedies. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.